distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Well, the time of our day. This is it's not a day for long speeches because the coronation proper. Actually, Oyo to jẹ́ pé ayé á gbọ́, ọ̀run gan á mọ̀. So on that day, I will talk. The Alaafin stool is very important, not just to Oyo town or Oyo state, but the entire Yoruba race. So, under my watch, I made it very clear that that stool is not for sale. It is not a stool for us to toy with. I met Prince for the first time in my life yesterday. I've never spoken to him in my entire life until yesterday. I did not know his profile or the profile of any of the people or any of the princes that were vying for that stool, because it was deliberate. I did not want to have my own opinion or try to push in a direction where àbá ti gba fóònù bàbá rẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé kò ṣe pé kábíyèsí wà níjókòó. Yeah, I didn't want my own opinion or to be in any way, be influenced. Let me say this clearly. When we came into government in 2019, we had challenges with the traditional institution in Ibadan land. It has been resolved to everybody's satisfaction. When it was time for us to approve the selection of Okere, some people came to me and said, this is our friend. The current Okere is APC. I said, it doesn't mean anything to me, whether you're PDP or APC or here in this chamber. I see people, those are people that have been before me. My own picture will also go there very soon. There's some action group, some UPN, some MPN. So what is PDP, APC? PDP, APC, who knows how long they'll be around? So why should the decision be based on a political consideration? So I approved the selection of Shaki Kingmakers. And I always say to people, don't kill yourself over politicians, because we see ourselves in the dark. We'll go to each other's houses. So people who came and said, maybe it was political consideration. No. Politics, electioneering is a game. We all play just like the Oyo. It's only when you've been elected that governance is a serious business, because you take decisions that will affect millions of people. You take decisions that may be life or death for some people. So we will not play politics with governance. The stool became vacant in 2022. We were moving towards election, and people said, no, you have to approve the appointment of Alaafin, otherwise Oyo people will not vote for you. I said, okay, let Oyo people not vote for me. I will do what is right. But Oyo voted for me massively. And Oyo will still continue to vote for me. So let me once again congratulate. Let me also say this briefly. Those that are still hell-bent on destabilizing our traditional institution in Oyo, the government is not letting them. We will prosecute them. The money they collected, they will still be prosecuted. Well, except they go to KBC and the next. If he forgives them, I will also forgive them. So the coronation proper will be in 4 weeks. But today, I will hand over the certificate and also the staff of office. So from today, we have so I congratulate the Alaafin of Oyo land, His Imperial Majesty Oba Abimbola Akeem Owoade. I pray that your reign shall bring unity to Yoruba race, wherever they may be around the world. I pray it will also bring progress, development to Oyo land and Oyo state and Yoruba race in general. KBC.
Oye, ẹja ṣe kábíyèsí o.